There's nothing more refreshing than sipping on a cold drink during a hot day. So today I'll be showing you how to make non-alcoholic lime mojito and beet mojito, which are going to turn out colorful, chilled, and very delicious. For the two recipes, you'll need very few ingredients and you'll find everything listed down in the description box. So I'm going to start off with my lime mojito, which is going to be very simple and delicious. I'll start off by making my syrup, and over here I have 1 tablespoon of white sugar. So I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of water and stir in until the sugar is fully dissolved. That is how you make a homemade syrup, which is very simple. When your syrup is ready, you're going to place aside, pick your lime and cut into slices just like this. Pick my glass and add in some lime pieces. Add in some mint. Then next you're going to muddle the lime and mint leaves just like this. I'm improvising my muddle tool because I don't have the right, but because it is homemade mojito, it is much allowed. Add in 2 teaspoons of your syrup, ice cubes, place in some lime pieces just to decorate the mojito. Add in some more ice cubes. Add in a few mint leaves. Then I'm going to add in my Sprite. And my lime mojito is ready to enjoy. So I'm going to place aside, and then I'm going to be making a beet mojito using beetroot. So I have one over here. I'm going to pick my knife, cut off the ends of the beets, peel, and once done peeling, I'm going to place the peels aside. Pick my glass and drop in a few pieces of the beets. Mint leaves. Add in ice cubes. Add in my Sprite and syrup, and my beet mojito is ready. When done making your mojitos, they're going to be looking so gorgeous and the presentation is going to be A+. My beet mojito has a very nice pinkish reddish color, which I absolutely love. And my lime mojito is just looking so good. You can double up or even triple the recipe and make for your guests, and everyone is going to be, oh wow, that is so good. Or you can make for your family during the weekend and everyone is going to enjoy some refreshing drink.